Alright, welcome video guys. We got a Coues deer hunt this morning, this weekend, opening weekend. So super excited, my first deer hunt, going out with Mike. He's got a tag as well. See what we can do, gonna get out here super early and see what we find. Alright, we made it up here right before sunrise, so it should be awesome. We've got bowls and valleys everywhere, so it should be perfect. Oh man, I wish we had another person. Mike here found, what is that, a bachelor herd then? Or what was that?
Yeah, bachelor herd, bunch of dudes hanging out.
He saw 3 initially.
Yep.
Started getting in position, trying to get a little bit closer because we were still pretty far away. So we moved a little closer in and we were still pretty far away. So we're about as close as we can with keeping good eyesight on the deer. And they didn't see us, they couldn't hear us. So I shot one, Mike shot one. Mike is pretty sure he's got a good hit. Mine is still kind of moving around up there, so we're gonna give him some time and see what we got.
Yeah.
But it's on top of the mountain, so we're gonna probably walk back to camp and cool down a little bit, shed some layers, get ready for the long haul. It's gonna be a long day. I mean, it's gonna be a long day. We got 2 blood trails, both going 2 different directions. So that's a good sign. We're gonna game plan here and track these animals down. On the blood? Oh, there he is.
There he is.
Winner, winner.
Oh, piled up.
Good job.
I'll be damned.
Good job. Great shot.
Ooh.
Good stuff, dude. Go on in there.
I don't like surprises.
Yeah, go on in there.
Oh, the neck.
Was it worth the walk?
Oh,
Is it worth the walk?
that's a hell of a walk, my guy. We got yours to go find now.
Yeah, we're going for 2.
We're going for 2.
The gray ghosts.
Not bad little.
Dude, that's a nice Coues deer.
Not too shabby.
That's a nice Coues deer.
Okay.
He's fat. Look how fat he is.
Oh, he's chunky. He's a chunky monkey.
He didn't go far.
No, he didn't. Thanks for finding it. Whew. Alright. Let's get out, grab the gun. We'll take him over by the packs. It's nice and shady. And then, we'll start working towards yours. 6mm.
2 hours in.
6mm. Yeah.
2 hours in.
2 hours in.
1 down.
1 down and 1 bleeding.
1 down, 1 bleeding.
We gotta go find that one now. Oh, man.
It's up here chilling.
6mm.
Eagle eye over here. 6mm.
Finally got it bloody.
There you go.
First kill.
First kill on this rifle.
1 shot.
That was a gnarly hill.
Oh, fuck this hill.
Just straight up the hill.
Coming off of the cold too.
Yeah.
Busted back for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
If my wife knew
Yeah.
what I was doing,
Yeah.
she'd be, you're staying at home.
Yep. Oh, 3 days ago, I couldn't walk. You couldn't get out of bed. All right, we got Mike's deer all gutted out, so we're gonna pack up and go and try and find mine.
Jacob, how's it feel? What a grind, dude.
Wow. Man. Thought we were losing them for a second. There it is, Mike. First deer in the books.
First deer ever.
First deer ever for Jacob Taylor. Go for the hardest one I could find. So I got my Michael with me.
I gotta hike all the way back over there to get mine.
You're fine.
Yeah. Not a bad little Coues buck. You drag him under the tree. How's that back feel?
I don't feel anything right now.
Adrenaline. It's a little fork, but it's a little 3x. That's not a bad deer, dude.
Nailed him right in his butt. There it is. Wow.
That's your first animal.
It's awesome.
You killed this deer.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you. Appreciate all your help.
Shit, it wasn't me. This was all God.
Absolutely.
You know?
Want to do this my whole life. Finally did it.
Just the beginning, my friend.
It is. It is.
It's a downhill spiral from here.
Yeah, I have no words. It's like you watch videos and movies, watch people hunt, watch them do all their things, and you know when you finally get the opportunity to do it yourself, then it happens. And obviously, last fall I struck out, didn't get nothing, didn't even fire around. And then this year, first 2 hours. All right, here we go. Back down the mountain. Whew. It's amazing. This ground is just so slick.
It is.
It's like a slip and slide on rocks. Yep. You alive over there?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, well, one night of sleep. We got 2 deer in the trees, but it was still successful. We got the deer. Going home, should be home on, you know, have some of the weekend left to enjoy with the family. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's been Mike and Jacob, Kingdom Overlanding, doing my first Coues deer hunt, and we had a great time overall. You know, this morning was kind of sucky, but yeah, it was a great time. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe.